smack. So this was brought to me all the way from Poland, or at least it was brought from Poland, as far as I'm aware. Now you can clearly see this is chicken, right? Or poulet, as we like to say. Normally I would read the instructions of this before cooking this, but there's a little issue with the instructions. They seem to be in a language I don't really have a lot of knowledge on. So, I mean, I can see that there's a couple of illustrations saying 400 milliliters and 3 minutes. That will definitely help me through my journey of preparing soup. So, the ingredients of this are, of course, this thing, just a little bit of water, and a pot where you're going to cook all of it. And of course, a very distinguishable lack of money to eat anything else. Alright, so I got all of them, so let's get to it. Now, fortunately, even in a country like Mexico, water is still fortunately easy to obtain. Now, this is how I hope 400 milliliters of water look like. My measuring cup doesn't have 100, I'm not sure if you can see that. It has 120 and 80. That's not very useful, and trust me, even from the other side, it's around the same thing, 80 and 120. So that's not very helpful. I have to find like the midpoint of that. And now we just play the waiting game. I'm honestly a little bit excited to see what's in the package before I open it. I mean, this is instant soup we're talking about. I don't think there's like chamber of secrets awaiting while I open this. Now, something that I really like to point out is that this thing is lacking the seals that here in Mexico we got for almost every single thing that is junk food. Alright, water is boiling. Yep, looks like instant soup to me. Alright, let me just take the packet away. Here it is. Very much nothing in it, but fine. Throw it all in. Alright, and we just gotta wait for this. Well, if you ask me, these definitely look like noodles. Now, time for the packet. I wish you didn't miss so much of the action, but you know, I gotta do this with both my hands. That's a two-hand operation that you're not going to see, unfortunately. For now, it's starting to smell pretty foreign, I can tell you that. Alright, count 3 minutes from now on. Let me tell you, this soup is looking great so far, and it's giving me some familiar smell, you know, from otogi soups. 1 minute left. And time's up. Now, this thing is looking pretty great from here. I'm gonna let it rest just for a couple minutes so it's a little bit colder and it's easier to serve. And then I'm gonna serve it into my cup of metal right here. And when that's done, let's do a taste test. Even you know what this could be about, huh? Would you look at that? Alright, that's gorgeous. Time to serve. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, there it is. Okay, so now that it has been served, it's pretty steamy. Looks really nice from here. Even Prometheus giving it a good look at it. I don't blame him. But this is pretty much what the soup is. And normally I add like a couple of extra vegetables or something to it. But I wanted to try this thing in its purest form, you know? Try to see what this is about. You just gotta remember to bring a spoon with me next time. Alright? And here we go. Here it is. Here comes nothing. You know what? I don't know what I was expecting. But this is definitely instant noodles out of instant noodles. It literally just tastes like that. It makes no difference. Well, if I can confirm something, is that Nissin does export literally the same thing you get anywhere in the world. Or at least it's the same here in Mexico than in Poland. Now, we don't have smack in Mexico, as far as I know. However, this does taste like something I've eaten 100 times before, so it's not really that different. I really didn't know what I was expecting with Polish chicken involved in the mix. But yeah, there it goes. Here, have a cat as a bonus, looking at my soup and staring. Alright, that was fun. Hope you enjoyed.